We're doing a science experiment with food coloring and soap and see what happens. Okay, so pour that cup of milk in the bowl.
All of it?
All of it. Okay. And now we're going to...
And do it with these?
We're going to put a little... Okay, now let's do some other colors.
Okay, I want to do that one.
What color is that?
Blue. Their favorite color. Of course, blue.
Okay. Squeeze it a little. There you go. Okay. What do you want to do next?
The red.
Oh,
Of course,
red
Mom's
is
favorite color.
No, this isn't. Red's already in there. That's yellow. It looks like red though. Huh.
I'm going to do it right there by the bubbles. No, maybe right here is fine.
Squeeze it. Oh, okay.
Oops, that's okay.
That's alright. This is
So,
an
now
experiment.
green.
Red's kind of everywhere.
That's okay, that's okay, that's okay.
Okay, here's the green. Okay.
Okay, now we do
Alright.
the soap.
Now, Mama will do the soap.
Uh,
So, you just add one tiny drop of this soap, and we'll see what do you think's gonna happen? Let's see what happens.
can we do that again?
Look, watch.
Can we do that again?
Look what happened. What happened? It's kind of mixing.
Mommy, can we do that again?
Here, let me drop another one right here. It like totally spread it out. Boop.
Okay, can we do that again?
Look at it. Look how neat it looks. It looks like marbles.
I said, can we do that
Well,
again?
we're doing it still. Look, it's kind of just moving.
So we don't have any ingredients. Right?
And you know what you could do?
What?
Get a piece of paper
And what?
and see if the color will go onto the piece of paper.
And then what?
You want to put another drop in and see what happens?
Oh, 3 drops? I mean 4 drops?
Well,
Because
Let's see. Take a drop and see what happens. Oh, look at that. Okay. Why don't we try... You want to try a different color?
this one.
Okay. You want to try blue again?
Yeah, sure. Oops.
Okay.
Okay, now do this one.
You want to do red? Okay.
And we'll do it all over again. And a couple of soap
Oh, okay, that's enough. No more red.
there.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
Can we do that one more time?
That's really pretty. Okay, I'll do, no more food coloring. I'll put one more drop of soap in.
One more drop.
There you go.
Hey, it did.
It did a little bit. There we go.
Now we mix it up.
Mm.
We can mix it up. Can I do it? Can I do it?
Mm-hmm. Now it looks like a mess. I definitely wouldn't drink that.
Wow, it's beautiful.
You can't.